What is today's date? Today's date is the 1st of January. What's today's date? Today's date is the 2nd of February. Today's date is the 3rd of March. Today's date is the 4th of April. Today's date is the 5th of May. Today's date is the 6th of June. Today's date is the 7th of July. Today's date is the 8th of August. It's the 9th of September. It's the 10th of October. It's the 11th of November. It's the 12th of December. It's the 13th of January. It's the 14th of February. It's the 15th of March. It's the 16th of April. It's the 17th of May. It's the 18th of June. It's the 19th of July. It's the 20th of August. It's the 21st of September. It's the 22nd of October. It's the 23rd of November. It's the 24th of December. It's the 25th of January. It's the 26th of February. It's the 27th of March. It's the 28th of April. It's the 29th of May. It's the 30th of June. It's the 31st of July.